If you are experiencing foundation issues, get a free estimate from Ox Foundations.
Welcome back to Daybreak. Kevin Whitman from Heritage South Credit Union joins us this morning. And Kevin, good morning to you, sir.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm very well. Hope you are getting ready for a big sale this weekend.
We are. It's our 11th annual car sale coming up, so we're really excited about that. And, we're excited to just be able to have this opportunity for the community to come out and get a vehicle at a good rate and a good price. So,
Kevin, last year when COVID started, it messed up a lot of stuff. And now with the relaxation of the guidelines and stuff, it's even a better time to get out and check out all these vehicles.
It is. Last year our car sale was a little bit different than it had been in the 10 years before, but, we took all the precautions we could and we still were able to have that sale. But this year we're still, being cautious as much as we can, but it is outside. So, we feel like it's a safe environment. We can spread out and, once you come in, if you're doing a loan, we're spread out inside too. So still safe.
Now, who all is going to be involved with the sale?
Yeah, we got, numerous dealers coming, local ones. So we got Robo Motors, Stop and Shop, J&N, they're up in Chillsburg. We got the trio of Sarah dealerships coming. Bice Auto from Ellick City, Bill Stanford, and possibly one or two more maybe.
Now, we don't just have a few cars and a lot of them.
We know it's kind of hard to get cars right now, but we're going to have at least 150, maybe 200 cars out there for you to choose from. So definitely an option, and if it's not on the lot, but if the dealer has it, we can still do that too. So.
Now, where exactly physically is it going to be?
It's going to be at our 280 main branch on Highway 280. This Friday and Saturday, we start at 8 in the morning, and we go until the last deal is done.
So how does it work? How does these car sales work?
Well, what's great about it is all these dealers come together, and they really want to all sell a vehicle, so they're kind of competing with themselves for your business. Mm-hmm. So, you're going to get a better deal, hopefully, there. And then we offer the best rates that we offer all year long, except for in the fall. We do a fall car sale now. But these are the best rates you're going to find around, starting at 0.99%. So, you come out, you can go online and get pre-approved if you want to know how much you want to spend, or you can spend. You can go online to myhscu.com and go to the loan app there, and we can put in your information and pre-approve you, tell you got this amount to spend. You can come out Friday or Saturday, and you already know, and it'll make the process a lot faster.
Now, with the Governor Ivey relaxing the masking guidelines and stuff, a number of people have asked, well, when are we going to be able to go inside the bank? When are we going to be able to do that?
It's a good question. Well, actually, our Broadway location, our 280 main branch is open for lobby business now. And, we're working, we put in sneeze guards in all of our locations. We have 5 branches. 2 here in Sylacauga, if you're familiar with those, in Ellick City, Moody, and Chillsburg. So we put up safety sneeze guards and all those, and we're working. We're all about our employees and our members, and we want to keep everybody safe. So as soon as we can safely open all of our lobbies, we will.
Heritage South Credit Union. Who is this?
Well, it started here in Sylacauga. If you're familiar with the area, I'm sure you all know Avondale Mills. So it started out as Avondale's Credit Union for their employees over 83 years ago. So we have deep roots here in Sylacauga. Mm-hmm. We've been going for, this is our 84th year. And then we opened our charter in the late 90s, early 2000s to 14 surrounding counties. So if you live, work, or worship any of those 14 counties, which you can find on our website, you can become a member of the credit union.
What is the difference in Heritage South Credit Union and other credit unions and other banks? What's the difference?
Well, we really try to focus on, we've grown a lot. We have about 14,000 members now. Mm-hmm. So we like to think we're a big family. So we're a family of almost 15,000 or so. But we want to know who you are. When you drive up, we want to say, good morning, Jimmy. How are you doing?
And they do that.
We try our best.
Yeah.
We really do. But we're there for all your financial needs. We have all the modern products that big traditional banks have. But we also, try to make you feel welcome. So, credit unions are nonprofit organizations. So at the end of the year, we're able to give our profits back to our membership, where traditional financial institutions are for profit. Mm-hmm. So that's the biggest difference, really.
Kevin Whitman, our guest this morning from Heritage South Credit Union. What specifically is your position there?
I am the marketing director, so I handle all of our social media, newspaper, magazine ads, all of our events, like the car sale, and then we have a big kids club. It's a kids account that you can open up. It's a real account. It's just $5 to open it, but we have a big event, and that's coming up in May 21st. So go ahead, and if you're not already part of our kids club, go ahead and sign up for that, and you can be a part of that coming up.
Spring and summer tend to lead people to, man, I'm tired of this house. I want to get another house, and financing is available through Heritage South.
It is. I mean, we offer, a wide range of home lending, but I mean, also all your regular traditional lending for businesses and saving products, IRAs and savings accounts. We also offer 3% premium rewards checking, which is a little different than most financial institutions. So there's a couple stipulations to earn that 3%, but you earn that monthly up to $15,000 in a premium rewards checking.
How is the client's monies protected?
We are insured by the NCUA, so up to $150,000. So, I mean, you have that government backing, and, we've been successful for over 80 years. So, we are a secure financial institution. We have, $170 million in assets. We've grown a lot, and we're continuing to grow.
Now, the car sale coming up Friday and Saturday, there's all kind of vehicles going to be there.
Yeah, I mean, everything that I mean, we mentioned the dealers. If you're in the market, you can go ahead and ride by those dealers and kind of see what they have, and you can go ahead and start working on a deal if you're in the market for it. We can go ahead and get you done before the car sale.
Kevin, how does Heritage South want to be seen in our community? Who do they want to be looked at as in our community?
Well, I mean, once I came in, I never thought I'd end up in the banking industry. My granddad was a bank president, and I was in publishing for about 10 years. And, this opportunity fell in my lap, and it's been, one of the greatest experiences. But when I came to the credit union about 5 years ago, one of my main focuses was to really, it was my first job here in Sylacauga, and I wanted to make sure that where I was working was a part of the community as well. So since I've been there, we've really gotten back into the community. We try to support all kinds of local organizations in every event that's around town. And we last year won Alabama Credit Union of the Year from the HSCU. So, I think our efforts are being noticed, and we really want the community to know who we are and that we're here for them.
Whether it's automobiles, whether it's boats or motorcycles or homes,
campers, ATVs, all that, we can help you out with anything.
Yeah, and when you come to Heritage South Credit Union, they want you to feel like you're part of the family. Because this is a family, Heritage South, and we appreciate, Kevin, you coming by. The sale is coming up Friday and Saturday, the car sale. I want to talk about that once again, what all is going to be happening, and also the event coming up in May.
Right.
Go ahead and talk a little bit more about the car sale and how people get plugged into that.
Yeah, so, I mean, if you need more information, visit our website, myhscu.com. We're going to be out there. Odie's Deli is going to be out there, a radio station. So, and let me tell you this, if you just come and test drive a car Friday or Saturday, you're going to be entered to win a great Blackstone grill or a really nice patio setup.
Oh, wow.
You just got to come out and test drive. We hope to get you in a car, though, if you're looking. And all month long, you can refinance. So if you're not in the market to buy a new car and you have a loan somewhere else, it's got to be from an outside institution. Bring it by, let us look at it and see if we can save you some money.
And you got an event coming up in May, too, for the kids.
Our kids' event, May 21st. It'll be from 5:30 p.m. to about 8 p.m. Same place, Highway 280, main location, Heritage South Credit Union.
Now, before we go, I know this for a fact, that you take care of seniors like me at Heritage South.
We do. Well, I mean, like I said, we started out as Avondale's credit union, so we do have, a lot of members that were early employees of Avondale, and they've stayed on with us, and, we try to look out for them. There's a lot of scams that go on out there with the senior community, so, you know, if we see something on their account or whatever that, you know, looks a little funny, or if they get a strange call, you know, we say, just talk to us, you know, come ask us about it. And, you know, we have a good sense of if they're being scammed or not. So
Yeah, you speak of that. There seems to be an onslaught of scams against especially older Americans.
Right. I mean, I don't know why, you know, people, you know, it's just, I think it's an easy group to target, and, you know, we do our best, but that's all we can do.
All right. The big car sale is Friday and Saturday at Heritage South on Highway 280. Yeah, so on Friday and Saturday, Gene Stewart Boulevard. And Kevin, we appreciate you coming by this morning.
Well, thank
Always
you.
a pleasure, sir.
All right. Have a good one.
More Daybreak coming up in just a minute.